In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add company contacts and contracts in Proposify in just 5 minutes. To start, open your preferred web browser. If you're already sitting comfortably, let's begin by searching for Proposify. Once you've entered that search term, click on the first link you come across, or the one that features the URL proposify.com. Now that you're on the Proposify homepage, look for the Log In button. You should see it clearly on the page. Click on this button, and you'll be prompted to enter your company name along with your subdomain name in the designated fields. Once you've done this, go ahead and click Continue. This will take you right into the main Proposify dashboard. Upon entering the dashboard, navigate to the Clients section in the main navigation menu. This is where you begin organizing your client interactions. Look out for the option that says Plus New Account. Clicking on this will bring up an option to add a new company. Here is where the magic begins. Click the Plus New Company button and get ready to enter the relevant company information. You should have the company name at your fingertips, along with other key contact information, such as personal details and ways to get in touch, like phone numbers or emails. Fill those in accordingly. After adding a company, you might want to add contacts associated with that company. This involves searching for the existing company in your clients list. Once you've found it, simply navigate to the company's profile. If you need to add new contacts, you'll find this to be straightforward as well. Enter important details for each new contact, such as their name, email address, job title, and phone number, ensuring your contacts are fully fleshed out with accurate information. With your company and contacts set up, it's time to create a contract, also known as a document. Navigate over to the Documents or Templates section. You'll have the option to create a new document or choose an existing template to modify. Choose whichever best suits your needs. Once that's done, make your way to Document Settings. Here you can seamlessly link your newly created client and any associated contacts to the document. It's a handy way to ensure everything stays organized and linked. You also have the flexibility to assign a client to a document right from the Clients page, providing an additional route for easy management. If your document needs it, consider adding variables during the appropriate step. Variables can be anything from client-specific information to generic placeholders that get populated automatically. And there you have it. By following these precise steps, you can efficiently manage your company contacts and contracts in Proposify. Feel comfortable with revisiting these steps as needed to reinforce the process. Keep practicing, and in no time, managing your business documents with Proposify will feel like a breeze. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide empowers you to excel with your organizational tasks in Proposify.